Maintaining a healthy heart is crucial for living a long and fulfilling life. A healthy heart ensures that your body's vital organs receive the oxygen and nutrients they need to function properly. Without a healthy heart, you may experience fatigue, shortness of breath, and even life-threatening conditions. By taking care of your heart, you're investing in your overall well-being and quality of life. Hey, and welcome to It's All About Your Wellness. A well-functioning heart also plays a significant role in maintaining your energy levels and physical performance. When your heart is healthy, you can enjoy activities you love without feeling exhausted or limited. Moreover, a healthy heart reduces your risk of developing cardiovascular diseases, which are among the leading causes of death worldwide. In addition to the physical benefits, a healthy heart also has a profound impact on your mental well-being. When you feel good physically, you're more likely to feel confident and motivated to take on new challenges. By prioritizing your heart health, you're taking a proactive approach to maintaining a healthy and balanced lifestyle. So, what does it take to maintain a healthy heart? It's not as complicated as you might think, but it does require some effort and dedication. Many of us struggle to maintain a healthy heart due to our busy lifestyles and the abundance of unhealthy food options. Let's face it, it's easy to get caught up in the fast-paced world we live in and neglect our physical health. Poor diet, lack of exercise, and stress are just a few of the common challenges that can negatively impact our heart health. One of the biggest culprits is a diet high in processed foods, sugar, and saturated fats. These foods can lead to weight gain, high blood pressure, and increased cholesterol levels, all of which can put a strain on your heart. Another challenge is finding the time and motivation to exercise regularly. With so many demands on our time, it's easy to let physical activity fall by the wayside. Stress is another major contributor to poor heart health. When we're under stress, our bodies release stress hormones like cortisol, which can increase blood pressure and heart rate. Chronic stress can also lead to unhealthy habits like overeating or smoking, which can further compromise heart health. So, what can we do to overcome these challenges? The good news is that there are many science-backed methods to improve heart health, and they're often simpler than you might think. For example, making dietary changes like increasing your intake of fruits, vegetables, and whole grains can have a significant impact. Regular exercise is also essential for maintaining a healthy heart. Aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate intensity aerobic exercise, or 75 minutes of vigorous intensity aerobic exercise, or a combination of both per week. You can also incorporate strength training, high-intensity interval training, HIIT, and other forms of physical activity to keep your heart healthy. In addition to diet and exercise, stress management techniques like meditation, deep breathing, and yoga can help reduce stress and promote relaxation. Getting enough sleep, staying hydrated, and limiting your intake of processed foods and added sugars are also crucial for maintaining a healthy heart. Regular checkups with your healthcare provider can also help identify any potential issues before they become serious. By staying on top of your heart health, you can reduce your risk of cardiovascular disease and maintain a healthy, balanced lifestyle. One particularly effective heart health strategy that's gained significant attention in recent years is the Mediterranean diet. This diet emphasizes whole grains, fruits, vegetables, lean protein, and healthy fats, and has been shown to reduce the risk of heart disease by up to 30%. The Mediterranean diet is more than just a diet. It's a lifestyle approach that encourages mindful eating, socializing, and enjoying a variety of delicious foods. By incorporating more Mediterranean-style meals into your diet, you can experience the benefits for yourself. For example, you can start by adding more olive oil to your meals, using herbs and spices for flavor instead of salt and sugar, and incorporating more plant-based meals into your diet. You can also try meal prepping or planning your meals to make healthy eating easier and more convenient. In addition to dietary changes, regular physical activity and stress management can also play a significant role in improving heart health. By finding healthy ways to cope with stress, like meditation or yoga, you can reduce your risk of heart disease and maintain a healthy, balanced lifestyle. To wrap things up, taking care of your heart is one of the most important things you can do for your overall health and well-being. By making a few simple changes to your diet, exercise routine, and stress management techniques, you can significantly reduce your risk of heart disease. Remember, it's all about making progress, not perfection. Start with small changes and build from there. Your heart and your overall health will thank you. By prioritizing your heart health, you're investing in a healthier, happier you. So, take the first step today and start making positive changes to boost your heart health. In conclusion, maintaining a healthy heart requires effort, dedication, and a willingness to make positive changes. But the payoff is well worth it. A healthy heart can lead to a longer, more fulfilling life. If you've got a favorite heart health tip or a personal success story, I'd love to hear about it in the comments below. Don't forget to check out my other videos on health and wellness for more tips and inspiration. And feel free to subscribe to a healthy and fulfilling life. Remember, your greatest wealth is your health.